As you can see, folks, we got it working. So basically what I did is I went into the interior light, into the footwell, where the courtesy light is, I guess if that's what you want to call it. And what I did was I took some, I believe this is 19 gauge, between 19 and 20 gauge, hooked it up to this, and then what I did was, simple process, is I T-tapped this into the wires here, positive, negative, or ground, and I just T-tapped it into here by pulling down this panel. So once now that I got this all hooked up, it will turn on every time I open the door. And which is good about the T-taps is I did not have to cut any wires. I just took the taps itself, which is these blue ones, pierced it to the wire, and then I connected these taps here to the 19 gauge and just plugged it in. So now I'm just going to take off this panel here, run it all the way through where I took, sorry about the light, where I took off the panels here. I'm going to pull up the rubber and just run it through and have it all hidden. Put this guy back up, and this will open up or turn on every time that I turn on the light. Now some of these come with batteries, but I feel this is the easiest way. I see some guys going all through the car, connecting up to the light here. When all you have to do is go to the bottom of the footwell, T-tap into here, simple connection, and off you go. That simple, instead of going through all those other routes, routing through the whole entire car, when you can just come down at the footwell and just T-tap into those two wires and off and running. Okay, now I got both sides hooked up. See if it's gonna work. Well, we got it working. So we got this side. And we'll see if the other side's working. Here we go. So basically what's going to happen now is I'm going to just run them under the carpet and probably have it for about a week, just in case there's any electrical problems. I can tap into it easy again and make sure that it's running fine. But if not, then I'll reroute it through the way it's supposed to be, have it tucked away nicely, and on to the next project.